Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to delete a footer from Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So basically here is no option to delete footer from Wix website, but we can hide our footer. So for that, go to your footer and let's suppose I want to delete this footer. So I'm going to selecting the footer and clicking on change footer design, and now select no color, and now you have to delete all the information from the footer one by one. And this is how we can hide our footer from Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.